Hi, so this is Alienware 15R3 and the Cmos cell of this laptop, this one has died. It is completely drained off. Because of this, I'm getting three red lights and one blue light, which means no display, no post. So in this video, I will show you how you can replace this Cmos cell, keeping this cage and wire, and it will be more cheaper. Instead, if you buy this complete piece, you will only need to buy the cell, and we will simply do a simple hack kind of thing to make this work. So first you need to do is pull this out from the laptop body. This is what you will get. Okay, you need to buy this cell separately. Make sure you uh, match the serial number, like this is CR2032, so it is similar that we will be using in this laptop. Okay, so first we need to pull out the old CMOS that is completely dead. So you need to simply remove this black tape from the cell and pull out the cell from this. Once you pull out the cell from this tape, you need to remember that which color is going on which side. Like we have two colors, black and red. So the black one is uh, in the bottom area, and the red one is at the top. So you need to attach exactly in the same manner for the new cell. Here I am removing the pins that are attached to the old CMOS cell. You need to be a bit careful because these are very sensitive. Okay, so here it is. I have attached this to the PC. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe, share, and if you have any question, please write them below. Thank you.